Brian Fritz of Network 126. In my last video, if you saw it, I showed you how to remove the coolant reservoir from my 2016 Ford Focus and various other vehicles. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put in the new one. Here I've got my replacement. This pretty much, you just align the plastic tabs with the metal ones in the car, and you just give it a good firm push, and it locks into place. It's supposed to lock into place. It's almost on there. Oh, there we go. You heard that click? That seemed to help. Come on. There we go. There's that magical click we're all waiting for. So just reconnect the hoses. Actually, I'm going to reconnect this bottom one first so I have more room to work. So connect this bottom one in, and you just bring it over. Now also in my previous video, I told you guys to save the plug that goes on this end. So I'm going to plug this one into here until this one snaps. There we go. Now here is the plug that I saved from the previous video from the old coolant reservoir. This is pretty much the same thing. You just push these in until they click and snap into place. There you go. And that's it. So all that's left, I'm going to top this off with some more coolant and distilled water. Going to be good to go. So let me know what you guys think about that below in the comments section, and I will see you all in the next video.